This is Kingdoms and Castles. So this is year number 21. If you'll notice that my population is almost up to the maximum in terms of the number of houses I have. So I need to make more houses. I'm going to need more wood. So I'm going to have to work on both of those things at the same time. And I'd rather build the cottages. So I am going to start working on completing this task. I'm going to rotate this. And I'm going to build my cottages in this area right over here. I think I'm going to need a road coming through here, so I'm also going to build a road going this way. I'm going to need wood, so I will also start chopping. Get these guys doing something, they're too lazy. I don't have any idle workers. They're all doing something because my population, I don't have any unemployment here. And I've got a decent amount of food, so no issue with the food, but I'm going to have to obviously build more food soon. I am going to have a Viking and a dragon attack in 6 years. Based on what happened last time, they can do a lot of destruction, so I'm going to build more of these towers. He's talking about a town square and about how there's a loss from the harvest. So I should build another granary. I guess that they do get full. Kind of makes sense to build it over here in this area. I think the baker is more important because I'm not even sure what the bakery. I know what the bakery does; it makes bread, but what value do you get out of it? I'm really not sure what the extra value is. So I am going to build one. I'm going to put it right next to this granary, so that he has to walk a very short distance to get the wheat. The wheat and the bread appears the same within the granary. So I don't think you can tell which one is which. It looks like I don't have any fish. I wonder why there's no fish. I hope they're working. Covers a wide area. The boat just parked, but it doesn't say that any fish came out. And there's 5 workers working here. That's a lot of people. Okay, so there's some fish. He's not producing a lot of fish. I think the smart thing to do is to fish elsewhere. Producing more fish is going to increase the happiness overall of my people. And it looks like there's a lot of fish over here, so I am going to definitely work on the fishing in this area. I think this is a good place to build the fishery guy. Did I do it? Did I do it? Yeah, okay, so it's there. It's not clear, but it is actually there. I think. I don't even know. Let me check again. It's difficult to scroll with this game. I guess it's there, because it says demolish. Yeah, it's there. It's just difficult to see, that's all. Maybe if I build one of these towers near the wolf's den, maybe the archer will just take out the wolves. I mean, that's another way of doing it without having to spend everything for the military barracks and things like that. I could just build a tower here, and it will help with everything else that I need in the game. Definitely got the materials to build it. Gonna be short on gold. This is not enough to reach that wolf's den, but I'm gonna build it anyway. And we're gonna see if they take out any of these wolves. It says that they can be taken out by the soldiers, but maybe the archer is considered a soldier. It looks like these stockpiles are filling up. That's half full. That's half full. Eventually, as production in this area increases, I'm going to use these more. For example, I should build a charcoal hut over here, the charcoal maker. Maybe right here is a good place. This way he can take all this food and he can take all the wood and turn it into coal. Because coal is difficult to produce. You got to produce a lot of coal. I'm going to need iron, so I am going to build the iron mine sometime in the distant future when I have enough gold to build it, which I don't right now. That's too bad. 2 were kidnapped. They're kidnapping my guys. Horrible. Well, at least these guys are busy working. That's cool. Taking all that wood, even though it's stored right here, they're still carrying all the wood. Not that bright. Gonna fast forward. Build a little faster. We're gonna know immediately, maybe. So they should build this archer tower, and then we have to get someone working there. We do have idle employees. He's probably going to have to physically walk there. And then we'll see if they deal with these wolves. 4 more wood needed. Okay, so the archer tower is here, and look at that. They do take out the wolves. So I'm going to recommend, make an archer tower. I don't know if they're going to get rid of that little den. Yeah, maybe they're not going to take the den out. So that might be the problem that I have to deal with. You know what the problem is that I have to deal with? I built the archer tower in the wrong spot. It was this den that I had to deal with, which means I should have built it over here in the middle of the two so they could go after both of them. Okay, I think I'm going to have to build around this. So I'm going to build another bridge, which means I'm going to do some chopping over here. And I will build a road coming out this way. At least these archers are going to be busy. They'll be busy dealing with these wolves over here, which it looks like they're not doing anything to. Oh, there goes one of them. Okay, confirmed. The wolf den. That's it for today's episode.